Westermans here with a Bode seam welder that's just arrived. It's a Bode HSW 4-stroke 32. Basically gives you a 100mm mandrel and a welding length of approximately 800mm. Fitted with a Selco DC TIG. Machine has a variable speed carriage, forwards and reverse. Worm drive or from a DC motor. Machine will be sold as is or refurbished to order. Machine comes with copper backing bar and copper fingers. If refurbished, all these will be removed and remachined. More details can be found on this and other seam welders on westermans.com or by emailing welding@westermans for further details. Thank you for looking.